What's going on, guys? It's Wayne. Today we have a brand new video with
me.
Yeah, her name's
Yumi.
Me. Sorry, I'm kidding.
Very close.
This is my Yumi, my little sister, and we have a cool video that we're just gonna be unboxing keyboard stuff from Yunzii. Thank you, Yunzii, for sending these out. Really appreciate it. And originally it was just gonna be like me opening this up, but I was like, hey, I've already introduced my Yumi before, and I think you guys like her a lot with the previous video. It's almost at 100,000 views, which is crazy. So we're gonna do this together. And I think Mayumi is gonna build the keyboard this time.
I build all of his keyboard.
Well, yes.
Just don't
No,
see
that's not true. Okay. Anyways, let's get started. What do you want to open up first? There's a lot. Let's break it up into parts. Okay. We have a bunch of like everything. We have switches, we have keycaps, we have keyboards, we have a Deskpad.
Let's start with the Deskpad.
Deskpad.
Yes.
Boom. Try to open it more than the middle so that the camera getting it. There we go. Alrighty, let's open this up. Now, Yumi, what inspired you to start building keyboard?
They're so satisfying. It feels like I'm doing Legos.
Whoa! Oh wait, it's the other one. Whoa! This is sick. It's a spaceman and a switch. It's like a spaceship.
And it's a cute size too.
What? Yo, oh, good stitching. This is dope. I love it. I love this. This is cool.
It's an astronaut. I like it. It's cute.
All right, next thing. What do you want to do? What do you want to open? Pick. Close your eyes.
No, because if I put my hand here.
Just do this. All right, we go in the middle. All right, we are opening up keycaps. This says "Born for Customization, Color Keycaps." Let's go. Whoa! Oh, this is definitely going to you.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This is definitely gonna, yeah, this is definitely going to Yumi's setup. This is dope. Wow. Let's see. Oh, and there's extras. Look at that. That is so cool. Plants, botanical.
Oh my god.
This is gonna fit Yumi's setup pretty well. I'm gonna throw some footage right now of what her setup is if you guys haven't seen the video. I guess also link to the video up here if you guys want to check it out. Basically, I did a makeover of my sister's bedroom, and it looks absolutely amazing now. And she has a botanical theme with her whole setup.
Is this a dinosaur?
This matches really well. I think so. Is that a dinosaur? There's a. Show it over here.
Dinosaur. You see the dinosaur?
Oh, there you go. Dinosaur. Next, I guess we might as well open up the keyboard.
This one.
Yunzii Skylung infinity sign. Boom. Oh yeah.
Oh, these are clean.
Ta-da! We got extra stuff too. Space bars, extra space bars. And then we have some novelty keys here. Are pretty cool. It's pink. Oh wait, what? Why is it like this? Yellow switches? Ooh, it is. These are yellow switches.
Yeah, they gave us extras too.
Whoa, these actually.
My original board is yellow.
Okay, the stabilizers need some improvement, but well, actually, shift key's not bad. Look, this shift key. Enter. Oh, wait, the backspace is really good already.
I love yellows.
Well, how do you feel? It's like already stock. How does it feel? It's pretty. It has a plastic button. Oh, there's feet. Yeah.
Oh. There's 2 levels of feet too.
Okay, cool. And then we have this. This was what I was actually really like interested in that Yunzii was gonna send out.
We took a sneak peek of this.
Yeah, we already kind of looked at it. Sorry. So this is. Take it out. This is a macro pad. Yes, go. This is definitely really cool.
These are donuts.
Oh, is it donuts? Oh, it is donuts. Sorry. Anyways, we have a macro pad here. This is really cool. It's basically just a separate keyboard on the side, and you can connect it with different shortcuts and macro keys. I like a numpad as well if you need it. And it has already some really cute keycaps. And these are what switches? I want to find out.
There's both. It sounds like blue. Or
it sounds like a brown.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So we have blue switches, unfortunately, but we can switch that out. Honestly, we were gonna switch the switches anyway.
Can you switch in the yellows?
Yeah, we can flip. We can switch in the yellow switch.
tab.
Let's do that. So put yellow switch. Boom. Put the 0 in there. Oh.
If only I would like this if it was like an entire keyboard, like the colors.
That is true. Yunzii, can you guys make a full keyboard with this theme of keycaps?
So cute.
It's definitely really cute. Yeah, don't put blue switches in these, please. Anything but blue. Reds, yellows, that's perfect. Like this is how yellow sounds. That's good. And these have stabilizers, so you can even loop these. These are pretty good for pre-loop stabilizers. Okay. Now, let's open up the switches.
Yeah.
So these are the switches that we're going to be putting in this keyboard. Yes, it does come with yellows already, which is really good budget option. Yumi's been using them for over a year now of her yellow switches. And basically, we're going to try out these Akko Matcha green switches, which you barely have to do any work to. There we go. Wow. But these are the Akko Matcha greens, and these are, is it linear switches? Yep, linear switches. And they're already pre-lubed and everything from Akko, which is really cool. That is, well,
Are they?
that feels good. Let's go. Let's try it out on the keyboard here. That is a lot of thought.
They're so like deep sounding.
Alright, so lastly, before we finish with this unboxing part and we get to the fully modded that Yumi's gonna do over a week. Well, how long do you think it's gonna take actually?
2 days probably.
Okay, it's gonna take 2 days from her. She's pretty fast, honestly. She has a lot of time. I'm busy all the time, so she's gonna be doing all this. And you get to keep the keyboard, so enjoy. Anyways, we do have some stickers from Yunzii, which is really cute. Anyways, it's from their Otter lineup. I know they have some other keycap sets on their website, so if you guys do want to check out Yunzii, it's on the link down in the description below. They have some really cool keyboard stuff. Definitely check them out. We actually have another keyboard that I'm really hyped to open up for you guys in the next time, so definitely going to be a cool product to check out. But for now, check out the website if you guys are interested in some cool products like this. Definitely very cool, and honestly Mayumi's gonna enjoy it. She's gonna work on it. Yep, and then I'm gonna say I did it. I'm just kidding. And they also gave us a thank you card, which is really cool. Thank you for your purchase. This is all the social stuff. Second camera, you got it. Anyways, that's it for this part of the video, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching us be awkward siblings.
I'm not used to this.
Yeah, she's not used to this. But you guys love her, apparently. So we're gonna keep trying to do brother-sister stuff because I think it's cool. Honestly, I think it's cool. But even though, anyways, so we will transition to whenever Yumi finishes in 3, 2, 1.
You're late.
All right, see y'all. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this little collaboration between the siblings. Yumi, what did you think about your build, your keyboard?
At the end, I still thought the matchas were still a little bit loud, and maybe in the future I'll add something besides the foam at the bottom of the case, because there's still a lot of space that I could add stuff.
So it's like hollowing out more?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so that's something that Yumi's gonna improve for the future. Maybe she starts uploading to her channel. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for letting us do this. Honestly, I never thought me and my sister would ever do a video together, but it's happened now, so this is awesome. Twice. So yeah, I mean, the first time wasn't really like this. Like, you weren't really sitting down and talking.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video and you'd love to see us do some more videos in the future, let us know down in the comments below. Would love to see that. And if you guys did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we will see you guys later.
Peace.
Done. That was it. Take freaking 9,000. Let's go.